Dear kids, today we are going to learn the sound of L. The sound of L is L, L, log, lamp, lamp, leg, 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 l, lady, lady, l, look, 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 lemon, 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 l, lion, 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 l, lion. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.